Well, here we are about to go for our morning walk. Buddy seems pretty excited about this, but unfortunately it's raining, so we're not real sure we're going to do this. We've already backed away once, haven't we? Buddy, are we going to walk? Are we going to go out there? It's pretty scary, isn't it? Okay. Let's see. Should we walk? Hey, look at that. We're on the porch now. And we're not anymore. No? Skeptical? Not buying it? No? Okay. Good work there, buddy. You're a brave soldier. You are. Oh, boy. Okay, say goodbye, buddy.